Hey fans and race teams, you're watching the Three Pedal Gasser Shootout Series channel. I'm Matt Begley, one of the co-producers of Torqued Up TV, and man do we have some exciting news for y'all today. So David, Greg, and I have been talking behind the scenes for a while now about putting some match races together for you guys. What we need from y'all is the teams that are interested in doing these match races. You need to get a hold of either myself or David Gregg, whether it's via social media or our emails, but let us know that you're interested, and if you could already be paired up of who y'all want to match race. We have talked with Mike Greer at Greer Dragway, and we will do a feature every Thursday night during their test and tune. The teams that are to do the match race that night will be featured on the Three Pedal Gasser Shootout Series. Now, questions were asked, well, if we're not featured that night, can we come test? Yes, you can. So only the teams that are in the match race will be featured on the Three Pedal channel. Torqued Up TV will be there, and we will do our normal test and tune night as we always do with Greer, possibly looking at some payouts for these match races. Now, whatever y'all want to do behind the scenes is up to y'all. If y'all, want to put money on it, that is on y'all, but we are looking at doing a payout. Now, we don't have any specifics on how much or how exactly we're going to do it yet. So we also want to offer some sponsorship opportunities on these payouts and these channels. So if you or your business is interested in sponsoring one of these match races or any of our content, you need to get in touch with me at torqueduptv@gmail.com and put in the title for the email sponsorship. And we'll get together with you and we'll definitely talk about some sponsorship packages and what y'all have in mind as well. But guys, this is exciting. So I think it's going to be good for the race teams, the fans, the Three Pedal Gasser Shootout Series, and we look forward to hearing back from y'all and getting some feedback, so let us know. And as always, we appreciate the guys that watch our content, but if you hadn't liked and subscribed, please hit those buttons.